Hi, my name is Dr. Supreet Bajwa and I'm a hip and knee specialist at Nexus Daycare Center. Mackenzie Stratton is a 30-year-old patient of mine who had an injury to her left knee. She was performing her daily activities where she twisted her knee and ruptured her ACL ligament. After the injury, she came to me in a state where her knee wasn't moving. She came to my OPD in extreme pain and we performed an MRI scan on her to confirm an ACL ligament injury. We also found that her shock absorber, the meniscus, was torn. I advised Mackenzie to undergo a surgical procedure where, using arthroscopy, we planned on reconstructing her ACL ligament and repairing her meniscus that has been damaged. Mackenzie is a US citizen and she decided to undergo procedure with us at Nexus today. She's doing really well in her immediate post-op recovery after the surgery and is comfortable in her room at the moment. For Mackenzie, we did an arthroscopic ACL reconstruction where we took 2 of her tendons from her own thigh and reconstructed her torn ligament. We also found out that her meniscus or her shock absorber was really severely damaged and we were able to help her to get it fixed.
Hello, my name is Mackenzie Stratton and I'm from the United States. I came to Mumbai just traveling and I was going to actually leave on a flight in a few days, but I ended up hurting my knee. So it was quite a tricky situation, and luckily the woman that I was staying with had been in contact with Dr. Bajwa. And so, truly he put me at ease so quickly. He helped me get to an MRI and was very honest about pricing right away and spent so much time with me in the consult. So I felt very comfortable going with him. And since then I feel like everyone's just been so calm, so sweet, and just made it easy to put my trust in everyone. So I've had a very positive experience thus far. Freshly left surgery and it seems like things went well. So I'm feeling very positive.